Welcome. If you're doing NCEA Level 2 Business Studies, Achievement Standard 2.4 requires you to use business knowledge to justify your market research conclusions. Today, we're going to break down exactly what business knowledge means, focusing specifically on pricing and marketing concepts. AS 2.4 is all about applying that core business knowledge to make sense of your market research and justify your key decisions. We will use our example business Good Grains, a premium artisan cracker company, to illustrate these concepts. Let's start with pricing strategies. When looking at your research data, how will you decide what to charge for Good Grains crackers? Competitive pricing means looking at what other premium crackers charge, say $8, and matching it to stay relevant. Psychological pricing is making the price feel cheaper. Instead of $8, you price Good Grains at $7.95. Price elasticity is understanding that if you raise your price too high, demand might drop off sharply. And finally, markup. This ensures the price you choose covers the high cost of those premium artisan ingredients, plus leaves room for profit. Next up is marketing and branding. How do you connect Good Grains with the right buyers? Your target market is the specific group you are aiming for. For Good Grains, this might be foodies or people who regularly entertain guests. Market segmentation means breaking that broad market down further, like focusing specifically on high-income earners in urban areas. Non-price marketing is promoting your product based on its amazing qualities, not just its price. For example, highlighting that Good Grains are gluten-free and handmade. Positioning and competitive advantage. Why should they buy your crackers instead of the supermarket brand? Maybe your advantage is that you are the only locally sourced organic option in your area. So how does this look in your assessment? Let's look at the difference between achieved, merit, and excellence when concluding your market research. For achieved, the student simply states the business knowledge. For example, based on my survey data, I will use competitive pricing and sell Good Grains for $7.95. For merit, the student explains the concept based on research. For example, I will use psychological pricing of $7.95 because my research showed customers perceive prices just under a whole dollar as cheaper, which will help us increase our sales volume. For excellence, you must integrate multiple concepts to comprehensively justify the business decision, linking everything back to your research findings and business goals. Remember, for merit and excellence, it's not enough to just state what your survey found. You have to use business knowledge to explain why it matters and how your business will respond. Go beyond the data and justify your decisions. Good luck with your market research.